Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the tutorial series of Nrityasara. In the last episode, we learned how to do our Namaskaram, the prayer that we do in Bharatanatyam. In today's episode, we will be learning how to hold an Aramandi and the Natyarambam position that we use in dance. Before we move on to that, let's do our prayer. That will also be a quick recap to the previous episode. Before starting any physical activity, it is very important to do warm-ups. It will help perform better. You can start with your neck rotations, your shoulder, spine, hip, knees and then ankles. Since today's episode is all about Aramandi, I'll be showing you a few exercises that will help open up your flexors and strengthen your thigh muscles. So first, you can do knee to your chest. You can bring your knee onto your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this up to the count of 20. Then you can move on to knee to your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you can do wall sits. You can do squats. You can do any exercises that are related to your thigh muscles and your glutes. Now, let's get into our Aramandi position. For that, firstly, you'll keep your feet apart, forming a V. Please take a comfortable stance. Do not inch back your feet. That looks aesthetically very beautiful while dancing, but eventually you might end up hurting your knees. So please, if you're a beginner especially, do take a comfortable stance. So forming a V, you will go down. Slowly, you will be going down. Okay, so now the pointers that you need to take care while going down. While going down, your upper body must hold a neutral position. Now, what is a neutral position? I'll show you. Now, this might be how most of us happen to stand or take a position. Imagine there is a string that holds onto the axis of your body. So now if I hold the string and just lift it up, my spine is erect, my shoulders are tight, my core is automatically involved. I'm not pushing my bum out. So while going down, you have to see to it that all these are maintained. You can't just push your bum out while you go down. You can't keep your chest out. So now we'll try doing it. A V in your feet. Okay. Your body position is maintained. Neutral position. Slowly go down. This is your comfortable position. At any point of time, if you feel any pain or a prick in your knee, please stop your practice and then come back to the samam, that is standing position, and then get back into the Aramandi. Now next is the Natyarambam position. So how to do a Natyarambam? If you're a beginner, you can just simply stretch out your hands straight from your shoulder up to the tip of your finger. Now push back your elbows slowly. Don't push it back too much. See to it that your elbow is neither up nor falling down. So your elbow must be in line with your shoulder. Once you push back your elbows and it is in line with your shoulders, your forearms automatically take the correct position. See to it that while dancing, it doesn't come in front, forming a box. So this. Here, I'm using Pataka Hastas. I'll be teaching you Hastas in the later episodes. For now, you have to see to it that your position is properly maintained. Now let's try and hold our Aramandi and Natyarambam together. Hope that you liked today's video. In the next episode, we'll be learning Tattadam, the basic Adavu in Bharatanatyam. So please subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any videos. Take care. Bye-bye.